everyone! Welcome to my channel! Today we're going on an adventure to a place close to my heart, Bangladesh. This beautiful country is a hidden gem, full of vibrant culture, breathtaking landscapes, and some of the warmest people you'll ever meet. From bustling cities to serene countryside, get ready to fall in love with the magic of Bangladesh. So buckle up and let's dive in. Our first stop is Srimangal, the tea capital of Bangladesh. Imagine lush green hills, rows of tea plants glistening under the sun. The air is fragrant with freshly picked tea leaves. Stroll through the verdant tea estates and witness women picking delicate leaves by hand. Don't miss the Madhabkunda waterfall, a true spectacle of nature's raw power. And of course, indulge in a cup of their famous 7-layer tea. Each layer offers a unique flavor profile, creating a symphony of tastes. Srimangal is a sensory delight, perfect for escaping city life. Next, we venture to Cox's Bazar, home to the longest natural sea beach in the world. Picture yourself strolling along the beach, the warm sand between your toes, as the sun dips below the horizon. The vibrant hues of orange, pink, and purple reflect off the water, creating a magical spectacle. Adventure seekers can indulge in water sports like surfing, jet skiing, and parasailing. Explore the bustling fish market, where fishermen bring in their daily catch. Cox's Bazar is a place where you can reconnect with nature and embrace adventure. It's a destination that caters to every kind of traveler. Get ready to be mesmerized by the raw beauty of Jaflong, a paradise for nature lovers. This hidden gem in Bangladesh is a place where nature's symphony of water and stone creates an enchanting atmosphere that captivates the soul. Situated in the Sylhet division, Jaflong is a blend of rolling hills, crystal-clear waters, and unique rock formations. The landscape here is a painter's dream, with every element harmoniously blending to create a picturesque scene. Imagine standing on the banks of the Dhaka River, its emerald green waters flowing from the nearby hills. The river's serene beauty is a sight to behold, offering a tranquil escape from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. Take a boat ride down the river and witness the stunning landscape. As you glide through the water, you'll be surrounded by the lush greenery and the majestic hills that rise from the riverbanks. The hills rise straight out of the water, covered in lush greenery. These verdant hills are a testament to the region's natural beauty and are a perfect backdrop for any adventure. Jaflong is known for its unique stone collecting tradition. This age-old practice is not just a livelihood for the locals, but also a fascinating activity for visitors to observe. The riverbed is scattered with colorful stones, polished smooth by the flowing water. These stones add a splash of color to the river and are a beautiful reminder of nature's artistry. Spend an afternoon searching for the perfect souvenir. The experience of finding a unique stone to take home is both relaxing and rewarding. Jaflong offers adventure, relaxation, and a chance to escape the ordinary. Whether you're seeking thrills or tranquility, this scenic escape has something for everyone. Prepare to be awestruck as we enter the Sundarbans, the largest mangrove forest in the world. Spanning over 10,000 square kilometers, this UNESCO World Heritage Site is a marvel of biodiversity and natural beauty. This incredible ecosystem is a labyrinth of waterways, dense forests, and mudflats. The intricate network of rivers and streams creates a unique environment that supports a wide variety of life forms. Glide through the narrow channels in a traditional wooden boat. As you navigate these waters, you'll feel a sense of tranquility and connection with nature that is hard to find elsewhere. Keep your eyes peeled for the elusive Royal Bengal Tiger. This apex predator is the king of the Sundarbans, and spotting one is a rare and exhilarating experience. The thrill of spotting this majestic creature in its natural habitat is unparalleled. The tiger's stealth and grace are a testament to its role as a top predator in this ecosystem. The Sundarbans is a haven for diverse flora and fauna, from spotted deer to colorful bird life. The rich biodiversity here is a result of the unique interplay between land and water. Every turn reveals a new wonder, whether it's a rare bird species or a stunning landscape. The Sundarbans never ceases to amaze with its natural splendor, a testament to nature's power. The forces of nature are on full display here, shaping the land and supporting a delicate balance of life. It's a place where you can witness the delicate balance of life. From the smallest insects to the largest predators, every creature plays a vital role in this intricate web of life. A visit to the Sundarbans is a journey into a world where nature reigns supreme. It's an experience that leaves you with a profound appreciation for the beauty and complexity of our natural world. Get ready to be transported to Sajek Valley, often referred to as the roof of Bangladesh. This enchanting destination is nestled in the Chittagong Hill Tracts, offering breathtaking views that will leave you in awe. Perched high in the Chittagong Hill Tracts, Sajek Valley is a place where you can walk among the clouds. The valley is often shrouded in mist, creating a mystical atmosphere that feels like a scene from a fairy tale. Imagine waking up to a sea of fluffy white clouds engulfing the valley below. As the sun rises, the clouds slowly part, revealing the lush greenery and rolling hills that stretch as far as the eye can see. The air is crisp and cool, carrying the scent of pine trees and wildflowers. Every breath you take is filled with the pure, unspoiled essence of nature. Take a hike through the hills and immerse yourself in the tranquility of this secluded paradise. The trails are lined with vibrant flora, and the sounds of chirping birds and rustling leaves accompany you on your journey. Sajek Valley is a place where you can reconnect with yourself and find solace in nature's embrace. Whether you're meditating by a serene stream or simply soaking in the views, the valley offers a perfect escape from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. It's a destination that will stay with you long after you've descended from its lofty heights. The memories of Sajek Valley, with its stunning landscapes and peaceful ambiance, will linger in your heart, calling you back to its cloud-kissed peaks. Prepare to step back in time as we journey to Mahasthangarh, one of the oldest archaeological sites in Bangladesh. Located on the banks of the Karatoa River, Mahasthangarh whispers tales of a glorious past. Explore the ruins of this ancient city, once a thriving hub of trade and culture. The weathered brick walls and ancient artifacts tell stories of a bygone era. Mahasthangarh is a place where history comes alive, offering a glimpse into the rich heritage of Bangladesh. Our final stop takes us to the heart of Dhaka, the vibrant capital city of Bangladesh. Standing tall amidst the bustling streets is Lalbagh Fort, an architectural marvel from the Mughal era. Wander through the courtyards adorned with fountains and reflecting pools. Visit the tomb of Peri Bibi, an emblem of love and loss. Lalbagh Fort is a reminder of Bangladesh's rich Mughal heritage. It's a must-visit for anyone seeking to unravel the layers of history and culture in Dhaka. So there you have it, a glimpse into the soul of Bangladesh. From the rolling tea gardens of Srimangal to the ancient ruins of Mahasthangarh, this country is a treasure trove of experiences. If you enjoyed this journey through Bangladesh, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Until next time, keep exploring.